As you may be aware, the industry of freight forwarding, whether it is air or sea, is running on a either per cubic basis or per unit basis or per kg basis. To start with,
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
as you may be aware, the industry of freight forwarding, whether it is air or sea, is running on a either per cubic basis or per unit basis or per kg basis. To start with, if it is air cargo and you want to move your shipment by air, then airline will charge you the air freight based on your gross weight or on the volumetric weight. Now, how to arrive whether your cargo will go on a gross weight or it will go on a volumetric weight. For example, if you have a package of 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet, one single box, say having approximate 20 kg weight, and this cargo needs to be sent for any destination through any of the airline, the formula is fixed that you need to take the dimension of the boxes, convert them into centimeters and divide the dimension of length into breadth into height by 6000, and the result will be your volumetric weight. In this example, you will find that 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet box of 20 kilo, if you convert into the CBM, the result will be 37.75. So, the airline will charge you for approximate 38 kg for that particular consignment and not for the 20 kg. On this, the air freight, the FSC, fuel surcharge, the security surcharge or any other surcharges or the valuation charges will be charged accordingly. So, the base for the air cargo is either the gross weight or the volumetric weight. In this case, we understood that the 20 kg box will be charged for 38 kg. So, you need to have the accurate value, accurate dimension, otherwise you will be end up in paying higher cost. Imagine if it is this is a 10 box, then instead of 200 kg, you will be paying for 380 kg. So, always provide the proper dimension and the gross weight to your freight forwarder so that you do not lose out on the air freight costing. Same way, if it is a sea cargo and it is a less than a container load, if the cargo is very small, say like 1000 kg, 2000 kg or 500 kg, and you find it very economic to send it by sea, then you will not opt for the full container. Definitely you will go for the less than a container load cargo, and for that the shipping line will charge you for the same formula, gross weight or the volumetric weight. But here in sea it is not called as volumetric weight, they charge it on a cubic meter basis. For example, if you have a box of 4 feet by 3 feet by 2 feet, then you have to convert that into the centimeter, which comes to around 122 by 92 by 61 centimeters. Now, divide this centimeters by 100 to arrive on the cubic meter. That comes to 0.68 of a single box. Now, you have a 10 boxes shipment. So, multiply by 10 boxes, that comes to approximate 6.84. So, 7 cubic meter. So, shipping line will charge you for 7 cubic meter and not for 500 kg or 1 ton cargo, because in the container this particular 10 boxes are occupying the space of approximate 7 cubic meter. So, the shipping line will charge you the ocean freight on 7 cubic meter, the terminal handling charges on the 7 cubic meter, and all other charges as per that tariff they will charge you on per document basis or otherwise. So, this is how you have to calculate the ocean freight for less than a containerized cargo. For the full container, it is always charged on a per unit, that is 20 feet, 40 feet, flat rack, flatbed. It is charged always on a flat per unit and not on the weight basis. And then there are TSC are also fixed per unit as per the port of sailing. So this calculation will help you only for the LCL cargo and not for the full container cargo or the project cargo or the special equipments. Thank you.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.